Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will see how do we run Python script using Node.js, and for that we have to install Python on our system, otherwise it won't work. And it is very simple and very basic. You just have to install one package, that is child process, and we will install on our Node project child process, right? So once it is installed, we have to create a new file as let's say script1.py. So this will create our Python script file, and this file will be run when we try to run the command. In this script1.py file, you can have any Python script that you want and that you like to run on your application. And for now I'm just printing hello world. So print hello world is the command that will print hello world when we run this file, right? And save it, APIs controller, and here in user.js we will create one method let's say running Python, which will be a async method. And here what do we write? Const Python equal to spawn. Spawn is the method which is provided by child processes, and Python language. What do we want to run? The name of the file we will write here. So script1.py, right? python.stdout.on. If we receive any data, then a function will be called with argument data, which will console data. And we need a variable. So let's say const data to send. I'll just paste it here. Because const is not working because this variable has to be assigned to a constant value. So we will use var here, var data to send, and this data to send has to be mapped to the data which we got by running the Python script, and will be converted to string value, right? Now we will, after we have got the data successfully, we will close the connection. So we will use close. Here we can console any message like child process close all stdio with code and in order to fetch something we have to use backticks. So we'll replace double quotations with backticks. Rest.send data to send. So like this you can run your Python command. And one more important thing, that it is automatically imported, otherwise you have to write this thing here, which is very required. I mean, after installing child process you have to import this in your application. Now we will export this function here, and In the routes, we'll make one API. So router.get, let's say Python, and then user controller dot running Python. I hope that works. We'll go to Postman. And in the new tab, we will try hit the API. Okay. Close this. Yeah. You have to remove this. This will be in comments. Closing connection. Now you save it and go to Postman. Yeah. So if you see in the response, we have got the response hello world, and this is what we wanted by running the Python script file, right? So in this way you can use different Python commands, various scripts, and make run the Python file by using Node.js. It is very simple. You just have to install child processes, and then it becomes very easy to use any child processes in your API. So I hope that was helpful, and thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment if you have any doubt. Thank you.